you want to add photo, you want to add text to your photo, and you want to edit it, you want to make it more like fun. So you've come to the right place. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to add text and edit your text, make it more fun in the Pixlr app. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Pixlr app itself, and here let's choose a photo. Let's say I want to choose this photo over here. It's a photo of a sky cloud. It's more like sunset happening there. So let's tap in this text and let's type in something like love the skies, and let's tap next. And here there are many options right at the below. You can see this, go back if you want to add something, like you want to add some emojis like a heart shape, maybe heart shape, and type next. And you can also adjust your style, what kind of style you want your text to be. You can also add some of like fonts. There are lots of fonts. This one you also can like download this by like clicking on the start button and it will be installed. And see, so it's very fancy. Let's make it more simple. Let's stick to this one over here. It's quite nice. So you can also add some color to it by tapping this option over here, and you can see a little slider. I want it more to be like on the like pink, peachy, like more purplish. It's just like this, the color will change. So maybe like this, black and white. You can change it like this. Let's do this one over here. And you can also pick the color from the photo itself. You can tap in this pick. So see how the color of the text is changing depending on where I'm putting this pointer in. So this is better, I guess. So yeah. And you can also like, let's go back to this since I like this one. So yeah, and you can also this format of whether you wanna place it more on the side, on the middle, or like on the more on the right side. Let's put it in the center. And there you go. This is how you edit text in Pixlr. It's very simple. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, don't forget to like comment in the comment section down below. I'll be really happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.